Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use Cambly as a tutor. First, what you want to do is go to cambly.com/tutors, and here I'm going to click Get Started. Now, if you already own the account, guys, completely skip this step, okay? So I'm going to add my email address and password, and I'm going to hit Create Account. Now let's wait until it loads, and here we go. So welcome to Cambly. On behalf of all students, we're so happy you're here. All right, let's get started. Now, Cambly profile. Your tutor profile is your chance to market yourself to students. And here you need to add basic info. So you can change the picture here. It's really important to have a photo on which you're smiling when you're inviting someone with your picture, with your eyes. And with a smiley face. Upload new photo. So I'm going to share with you the picture that how I look. And I look like this. So I'm a baby Yoda. And I'm going to click save. Don't be baby Yoda, but if you want to be baby Yoda, you can be too. That's completely up to you. Now, greet students with a video introduction. What you can do is to let students know what they can expect from a lesson with you. And you can record a video, how fluent you are, how perfect you are, how amazing you are, because you are a unique person with unique experiences and unique, how would I say it? No one lived a life like you have. In that way, you are perfect. But society is going to tell you that you need to do something to be something. But maybe you don't need to do anything to be something. That's fascinating, right? So here you can upload or record the video. I recommend definitely focus on a good mic and good lighting when you want to record it. When we go on further, say hello, introduce yourself to students. You can add it introduction, where you will write about you. Then teaching style, tell people more details about teaching style. Kung Fu method of English. This is really, I'm just missing right now. You share with here, what is your teaching style? Share it there. That's it. I don't know if you're using method for without having any homework, just speaking, or you're also providing homework about me. Now you just write here that I was born in Star Wars world, right? You share here, I was learning how to become a Jedi when I was 5, right? And this is how we do it. You just write about you, your experiences with teaching. So that's something you can definitely do. And then you click save. Languages. So I don't know if the language which I speak can be found here. And I'm just kidding. So I speak, I don't know, USA maybe, language English. And you can add multiple languages, save. Then you just add here the work experience as a title, the tags, Yoda tags, and I can, let's say I'm working advertising, Jedi Master. Then education, School of Jedi, tags, that's government maybe. Let's go with military. And description, zoom and zoom. So that's how we do it. Then click save. And then you can have teaching certificates. You can upload them. I will be uploading my video about how I can work with my sword, but I'm not going to redo it. So then you can also add the basic info. Birth. Let's from. Okay. Okay, we have it. Then we have the basic info. And then we need to have also teaching certificate. So I'm just going to upload something. Certificate type, and you choose it. Save. And that's how we do it. So I need, like, I don't know if I need to like even upload a short video here. Like, I'm going to do it. I don't really. This is just like my intro for videos that I make. And this is how I do it. So you add here, we have this, we have this, we have this. Introduction, this is my introduction. Introduction. Oh, and here we got it. You can also edit the basic info, and I recommend changing the name to Jedi Master 100. You choose yours name, like you can be whatever. My recommendation, guys, would be definitely create account which is going to be look on your competitors. When you look and join Cambly as a student, just look how the competitors are writing everything. So when I come here to Cambly and I'm going to open it, and I think I'm going to be logged in, like this, Cambly, and I'm going to log in. Let me just show you how it looks like when I would enter login. And look at this. As a student, I can look and check the tutors, what they are writing about, what kind of pictures they are using. And you can see that these guys are 500 chats, 1000, etc. So Jedi Meister 100. Continue to supplement the question. And here we go. What do you want to tutor on Cambly? I love speaking English, and I can't live without it. Of course, I love Yoda too. Where did you hear about Cambly? You choose like YouTube, whatever. Have you worked with engineering platforms in the past? I didn't. Maybe Jedi School, badums, and continue with the connection test. So start the test when you're ready with the setup you will use the tutor. And I need to get a t-shirt right now, guys. Because we gonna have a Jedi reveal, you know what I'm saying? Start the test. And I'm going to allow the done. And okay, and here we got it. So that's me, your boy Jedi. And I don't know what I have to do. Maybe I will just smile on you. So we just wait here until it's going to load, and then we will continue in a glorious tutorial. I know you expected Jedi, guys. I know. But life is full of surprises. You know what ours? Okay, and I'm gone. And then what you have to do is just click submit for review. And then when it's going to be done, you'll be able to teach more. So this is how we can do it, guys, and this is how we can test it out, and this is how we can create account at Cambly. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.